Mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may sound intimidating to you because you may think that most cryptocurrency mines look something like this. Full of expensive equipment combined with complicated software that, let's be honest, the common person has no clue how to set this stuff up, much less run it efficiently. Now, if you want to become a millionaire mining cryptocurrency, this is the type of rig you need. You need to know how to set this stuff up, you need to have the power source to run it, and the knowledge of the software. But if you just want to make $3,000 to $5,000 a month in passive income, mining cryptocurrency from your home, there is a way to do it. The smallest and cheapest home mining rigs that you can purchase are anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000, and that's just to get started. Who has that much money to invest up front just to mine cryptocurrency? Not me, and I'm guessing not you either. Well, not to worry, because even if you have $0 to invest, you can still mine Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies profitably from home. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 softwares that you can download today for free and get started in the crypto mining business and make $3,000 to $5,000 minimum per month in passive income. If you don't already own at least a little bit of cryptocurrency, you're missing out, and you need to get on top of this right now because the value of these coins is just gonna go up. This is the future of money, my friends, so you need to act right now. And there's no reason to pay for this stuff when you can just mine it by yourself from home, from any laptop, any phone, any desktop. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because towards the end, I'll give you a little bonus tip that's going to quadruple your cryptocurrency mining earnings. So make sure you watch until the end. You're watching Online Moneymaker right now, where we give you all the tips, tricks, and hacks that you need every single day to make passive income online. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do that right now. Please leave us a comment in the comment section. In fact, if you own any crypto, let us know which one you're buying. We'd like to know that. And also, give this video a like. Let's get started right now. The first thing everybody should be doing is downloading CryptoTab to every one of your devices. This can be found at CryptoTab.net. Once downloaded, this is going to look and function pretty much exactly like Google Chrome, except when you're browsing, you're also mining small amounts of Bitcoin in the process. And yes, this can be downloaded to every one of your devices, including your smartphone. So while you're browsing the web, you might as well be doing it through CryptoTab so you can earn free Bitcoin in the process. All you want to do is come to this little button right here, and you turn on the mining speed from here. You got to turn it on, okay? And then you can even hit this cloud boost button right here and increase your mining capability up to 60 times. And the only thing you got to remember with CryptoTab is you can leave this running in the background, but you have to have some sort of activity on here every 2 hours or else it will shut down. This is CryptoTab, found at CryptoTab.net. The next one we have for you is called Faucet, and this can be found at autofaucet.org. Now, there are many different ways to mine free crypto coins on this site. Now, just like CryptoTab, you can also use this as a browser to mine. You can do GUI miner, command line miner, or website plugin if you've got your own website. They do have some software that you can download and increase your mining capabilities. Now, what makes this different from CryptoTab is you can mine all these different cryptos, not just Bitcoin. So we have all the heavy hitters here, including Bitcoin, but we've also got Ethereum, Dogecoin, Dash. The list goes on and on. I see Litecoin right here, and you can also mine multiple coins at the same time. Aside from that, there's other ways that you can earn free crypto on this site, such as clicking on links, and they also have offer walls where you can complete surveys, watch videos, visit websites, play games, etc. Again, the site is called Faucet, and this can be found at autofaucet.org. Next site is called Allcoins, and this can be found at allcoins.pw. Now, this is not only a crypto miner, but it is also an auto faucet. If you're not familiar with what an auto faucet is, it's basically a system that delivers small amounts of crypto every so often into your account for doing nothing. You're not mining it. You're just kind of like turning on a faucet, giving them your wallet address, and hoping for the best. Otherwise, they do offer two different types of mining here. You can do, let's see, where is it? Here we go. Command miner or web miner. Now, this is going to be the first actual miner we're talking about, and probably the easiest one to operate and to download to your computer. Again, this is allcoins.pw. Next up is Nanopool. This can be found at nanopool.org, and you can mine Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Monero, Raven, Conflux, Ergo, and Pico Pool with this website. And this is what's called pool mining, which is what you want to do if you don't have the expensive rig, the complicated setup. Basically what you're doing here is you're joining in with some other miners, and you guys are working together to collect these coins. And this is a relatively simple setup. All you got to do is pick the coin you want to start mining. You hit quick start right here, and then they'll just give you these directions that you need to follow to download this to a folder. You extract it into another folder, you configure the miner. They walk you through this every step of the way, and then you hit start mining, and there you go. You're off and running, mining any of these coins. Make sure you guys keep watching, because a major bonus tip is on its way that's going to quadruple your mining ability. So don't skip ahead and give this video a like. The final mining site I have for you today is called Unminable. This can be found at unminable.com. Now, why is this called Unminable? Because this is where you can mine all these obscure coins. But these are the ones that you probably want to mine instead of Bitcoin, because these are less in value, most of them, and you're just hoping to mine a bunch of them, then the value goes up. This is also where you can mine Decentraland Mana right here. Look at this. This is going to be the next big one, folks. If you don't know what the metaverse is, well, you got to learn about that. Decentraland is a part of the metaverse, and you can only buy land in here using this coin Mana. So that's the one that I'm mining. That's the one you're going to want to mine here at unminable.com. There's a couple steps you need to take before you download this, depending on what browser you're using, and I'm using Chrome. We want to go to settings right here, okay? This is for Chrome, okay? Go to settings, and then what we want to do is we want to go to privacy and security, okay? Then we want to hit security right here. And then what you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to click on the no protection, okay? You want to click on the no protection, okay? Click that, because if you don't, your browser won't allow you to download it. It'll say it's dangerous, but it might be. It depends. I mean, you're taking a little bit of a risk here. So click that, download it. Once it's downloaded, then you come back here and then you can click back on standard protection or advanced protection, whichever one you prefer. Now, here's your bonus tip. This is what I do. You need to download Unminable to your CryptoTab browser. Don't use Chrome, don't use Safari, use CryptoTab, because no matter what coin you're mining with Unminable, if you're running it on the CryptoTab browser, you're also mining Bitcoin at the same time. Now, it's going to be the same set of things here. You want to go down to settings right here in your CryptoTab browser. Same thing with the security settings, just like Chrome. That's what you want to do. That's your bonus tip. You definitely want to be running that on the CryptoTab browser. Have fun mining, people. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to Online Moneymaker. We'll see you for the next one.